passionate about helping people feel their best and getting people out of pain and feeling well again, and I thought, where else than take it to my hometown of Banchory.
I love the atmosphere while working because people here, you don't feel you're coming to work, you feel you're coming to family. Even if you have a bad mood or bad day, there's always who can actually help you, and we can help that person again. So we work pretty much as a team.
I work hard to have a very warm, welcoming environment. All of the team work together to really put our patients at ease. You know, a lot of our patients, when they first come in, they're in pain, they're not feeling their best. We want them to feel welcome and relaxed, and we want them to feel like they're in the right place and that we're going to look after them.
I've had ongoing problems with my back for more than 10 years now. So when I heard everyone talking about coming here, I thought I'll try anything to make it feel better. When I am having any issues with my back, I know that I've got hope if I come here that I can get back to my normal self. So that's the main thing, the difference it makes to my life.
Well, this clinic is really special as we have multiple healthcare professionals here. We have chiropractors, osteopaths, massage therapists, orthotic specialists. So we're really working here as a very big team, and we get to discuss with each other about, our patients and the cases, and that's how we learn from each other as well. And there's not only one solution to our patients' care, so we can always go to other healthcare professionals and we could learn more from each other as well.
We have a really, really strong passion for clinical excellence. We're always doing courses and training, working to best practice.
I think my favorite thing about working here is how we help people, but we don't just help people with their problems. We also take a whole body approach. When people come in and they unload their anxieties and their worries and their problems and their pains.
The whole atmosphere, it's such a family focused, such a family friendly environment. Felicity is fantastic. Her staff are all so approachable and so friendly. They care about so much more than just fixing one specific problem. Everything moves, it's all connected, and she's great at explaining how it all works and how it's all connected, and that's causing a bit of pain down this side of your hip because this bit's a bit out of alignment or this bit's a bit, and it's just the whole overall holistic vision that she has herself as well, and she practices what she preaches with her her own vision.
We get many patients that are referred to us from the chiropractors and osteopaths who will refer them over to us to do some more dedicated work on the soft tissues. We get many patients that come into us as new massage patients as well. Often it can be tightness in certain muscles, particularly areas like maybe the neck and shoulders, and so we do a lot of work really from head to toe, really covering all areas.
It's from the second you walk in the door, it's really welcoming. You are part of their family here in regard of being a patient, which I think is actually quite important, but also the sort of skill and knowledge that it's Tracy and Eddie who I come and see once a month each, and it's just their general demeanour is great, and it just makes you feel nice and relaxed the second you walk in.
When I see people leaving and they're laughing and they're smiling, then that makes everything worth it.
The atmosphere at the clinic is absolutely crucial to what we do here. So from a patient, which is really our number one priority, we're really focusing on what we call the vibe of the clinic. So it's that feel as a patient when you come in. We want you to feel welcomed. We also want you to be put at ease. Everybody here is very friendly.
You're welcomed as soon as you come in the door. No questions, a funny question, and you're treated as a family member and looked after like one of their own.
It's very, very important to us that we treat our patients as if they were our family.
It's part of who we are, I think. A lot of the time, it's the people that make the clinic, but also there's a lot of hard work that goes into making sure that there's other little touches that make it a really lovely place for patients to come and be.